Hello, I am Dr. Che, and in this video I would write part 2 of model letter number 10. As you know, this is IELTS general training task 1 writing course. Please subscribe to my channel, look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me, share with other students to help them, and subscribe and press bell icon to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. This is an overview of my letter writing course. I have started from overview of general training task 1, then band descriptors, types of IELTS letters, how to write formal, informal and semi-formal letters, top 10 tips for letter writing, common phrasal verbs, what is contraction, when we use contraction, useful language for letters of complaint, inquiry, request, help, permission, apology, all of them. Then I would write more than 12 model letters in my course. So open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. If you go to my channel Learn with Dr. Che, you can see there is a playlist. If you go to playlist, you can see there is an essay writing course 54 videos, grammar course 50 videos, vocabulary course 73 videos, and there will be more courses later on. This was our question for today. You recently attended a meeting at a hotel and you left some papers there. So write a letter to the manager where you think you have left the papers, why they are important, and tell the manager what he or her can do for you. Or brainstorming, there was a meeting, you left papers in the maybe in the meeting room or in the reception desk. Important, they are important because they are business documents. Instead of papers, you can write documents also. Only written contract is for the business. Without this you cannot export things, something like that. You can, what you want the manager to do, to tell any employee to search for it, send us by courier. If they find that, then you can say I would reimburse the money, the courier charges. I have written my salutation and introduction. Now I am going to first body paragraph. I attended a meeting arranged by our company. Then the name of company, PRS, for our final negotiations to sign a business contract with QLP, something like that. You can write the other company names. Then after returning to our head office or home, you can also say home, to our head office, I found that our final signed contract was missing. So I am not using papers again and again. I am using signed contract was missing from the file. So now I have given the background. Now I am going to tell him where they can find it. I think I must have left it on the meeting table where we signed it at the end. I think I must have left it on the where you are more confident, you can use the word must, must, where you're more confident, on the meeting table where we signed it at the end, or if you do not find it there, then it might be on the reception desk where I put it while I paid my bill. Now my first body paragraph is complete, first bullet point is complete. Now we're going to second bullet point. Why explain why they are so important. Let us go to the second bullet point. Unfortunately, let us give some importance. These are only documents that we have, so they are the only written and signed papers that we have to start the whole business. Without them, what would happen? Our company cannot, we are not going to use contraction here, because this is a formal letter. Our company cannot export goods that value, these goods value more than $10 million, just giving an extraordinary importance to the documents. So because the examiner have asked why they are so important, so I have given why they are so important. So if I want, I can start a separate body paragraph for the third bullet point. I can, my first bullet point is a bit longer, so it would be better if I put my third bullet point here with the second one, so the paragraphs would be parallel, would be of equal length. I was wondering if you could ask your employees to search for them in these places, and if, first of all, search, if you find it, send me by courier. If you are able to find them, then please send them to our company's main office by courier. We would be happy to reimburse you the courier charges. We would be happy to reimburse you the courier charges. These charges, this is just a way to expand it. Then I need to close it. The closing sentence here would be a formal one, like I look forward to, not the something like that. I look forward to hearing from you, and thanks in advance. Okay, this is just I look forward to hearing from you and thanks in advance. Then the closing, as we don't know the name of the person, We are just writing dear sir or madam. You can see here dear sir or madam. We are writing to the manager of the hotel. We don't know who is the manager, so I would write yours. You would be capital, faithfully would be small. Yours faithfully. If we know the name, yours faithfully. If we know the name of the person, it would be uh, yours sincerely. Then you have to write your complete name, dear John Smith, something like that. You can make it up. There's no necessity to write your original name. Then after writing a complete letter, you have to proofread in the last 1 or 2 minutes. You have for 20 minutes to write your letter. So during your proofreading, first of all, you should note your tone is consistent or not. It is according to formal letter or informal letter or semi-formal throughout your letter, starting from the starting till the end. Then contraction are very important. You should look at contraction. If you have used contraction in formal, remove it. If you don't have used contraction in semi-formal or informal, then use it. After that, any grammar mistake, any vocabulary mistake, subject verb agreement, and then one of the also one of the important things would be subject verb agreement, and other thing is punctuation is very important. Also, and any other mistake that is common in your writings normally. So look at all of these common mistakes at the end of your letter in 1 or 2 minutes quickly. So after watching my complete letter writing course, you would be able to write very good letters, but always remember that you should get some feedback from any true IELTS expert, preferably any native English teacher. I would start my correction service in the last 6 months of 2021. I would work together with an IELTS expert from UK, a native English teacher preferably, to provide you advanced, comprehensive and cheap writing correction service. This is my Facebook ID. Stay in touch with me if I can start this service earlier. Also join my Facebook group for more details. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them, and subscribe and press bell icon this one to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. Thank you very much.